Now we are solving questions related to Doppler shift. This is the first question. A galaxy emits light of wavelength 500 nanometer. So original wavelength lambda is equal to 500 nanometer, which we can write as 500 into 10 power minus 9 meter. 10 power minus 9 because 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter, and due to its motion it is observed at 550 nanometer. So observed wavelength lambda dash is equal to 550 nanometer, which can be written as 550 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Calculate its velocity and its state, whether it is moving away or towards us. So last part of the question we can answer immediately. We can see here the observed frequency lambda dash is greater than the original frequency lambda. And when it happens, according to Hubble's law, which you already know, according to Hubble's law, if the wavelength increases, it means the object is moving away from us, and if the wavelength decreases, it means the object is moving towards us. So now the observed wavelength is increasing. It means it's greater than the original wavelength. So we can say this is a redshift. And since this is redshift, the galaxy is moving away. So this is the answer of last part of the question. Now let's calculate the velocity of galaxy. Which formula we can use here? We can use delta lambda is equal to v by c into lambda. We have already learned this. So how much is the delta lambda? Delta lambda here is 550 minus 500, and of course this is 10 power minus 9. I'm taking 10 power minus 9 common. So we can write delta lambda is equal to 50 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Let's come to the other step. Delta lambda we are going to put as 50 into 10 power minus 9 equals to v is unknown to us, we need to find, and c we already know 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second, which is speed of light, and f is already given to us, that is 500. I do not have space, so I will write it like this, into 10 power minus 9. So here let's cancel some things which can get cancelled here. 10 power minus towards the left side, 10 power minus 9 towards the right side, that will get cancelled, and we will get here 50 is equal to v by 3 into 10 power 8 into 500. So let's shift the values here, and 50 divided by 500, and 3 into 10 power 8 can come this side, so we can write 3 into 10 power 8 equals to v. So we can cancel this, and we will get 1 by 10 into 3 into 10 power 8 equals to v, and v equals to 3 into 10 power 7 meters per second. This is the speed of the galaxy with which it's moving away from the observer, or with which it's moving away from us, because we are the observer here. Now let's solve the next question, and next question is related to police radar gun. You must have seen the application at many places on the road, where they show the current speed of the vehicles. Now let's read the question. A police radar gun transmits microwaves at frequency fs is equal to 10.5 gigahertz. So fs is the original frequency, that is 10.5 gigahertz. It detects a frequency shift of delta f is equal to 7000 hertz. So delta f is already given to us 7000 hertz. What is the speed of the vehicle? To solve this type of equation, we have to understand one thing, that there are two steps involved. First, let's say this is the radar gun, and this emits electromagnetic waves. These electromagnetic waves go towards the vehicle, and when they strike to the vehicle, it gets reflected back. So now the signal is reflecting back. So two steps are involved. One, the signal is going towards the vehicle, another one signal is coming from the vehicle. So two steps. First one, this radar is acting as a source and the vehicle is acting as an observer. Now when the signal reflects back, the vehicle acts as a source of this reflected signal and the radar acts as the observer. So there will be shift in the wavelength or the frequency of the wave twice because of the reflection. So in this case, the formula of Doppler effect for electromagnetic wave is modified something like this. Delta F is equal to 2 into V by C into F, something like this. So now delta F is how much? 7,000 equals to 2 into speed of the vehicle we need to know, and the speed of light we already know, 3 into 10 power 8, and original frequency is given to us, that is 10.5 gigahertz, means 10 power 9 here, so 10 power 9 hertz, so 10.5 into 10 power 9 hertz. If we rearrange it, we will get something like this: 7,000 into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 2 into 10.5 into 10 power 9, right? If you simplify and do the multiplication, you will get 2100, because 7 3s are 21, 21,000 instead, into 10 power 8 divided by 2 into 10.5, that will give us 21 into 10 power 9. If you further simplify it, you will get 100 meters per second as the speed of the vehicle or the speed of the car. So this is the final answer. I hope you understood the question. Please practice it once again so that this becomes concrete in your mind and you develop a better understanding. If you have any doubt and you want to ask any other question, please post it in the comment and I will try to make a video on it. Happy learning.